Noswaith dda, wrandawyr, croeso cynnes iawn. Good evening, listeners. A very warm welcome. Corff Ann Widdecombe wedi ganfod bron I 24 awr ar ôl ymosodiad. Yeah. Ann Widdecombe's body found almost 24 hours after attack. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif chant pedwar un. Series 4 and episode number 341. Bythwyrdd, Evergreen. Heddiw yw dydd Sadwn. Today is Saturday, ar 10 ar 10 o Orffennaf 2026, the 11th of July 2026, ac mae hi 9 o'r gloch y hwyr, and it is 9 o'clock p.m. And today we have tew tenau, which means fat, thin. There's an alternative spelling or a misspelling of tenau, put a double N in there. Here's the write-up for them. Daeth tew tenau I fodolaeth yn ardal Llansannan yng Nghomwy. Tew tenau came into being in the Llansannan area of Conwy. Pedwar ffrind Eban Elwy, Elwy, Thomas Smith a Harry Roberts. A benderfynaf un haf yn 2022 ddod yn fand. 4 friends are Eban Elwy, Elwy, Thomas Smith and Harry Roberts, who decided one summer in 2022 to become a band. Pryn ei bod wedi stopio ers hynny, cannoedd y gigs eisoes dan ei gregus o strydoedd pentrefi bach I llwyfannau prosir gwyliau. They've barely stopped since, hundreds of gigs already under their belt, from small village streets to the busy stages of festivals. Daeth 2024 a'i albwm cyntaf, Sefwch Fyny. 10 trac sy'n datgelu arddull, gyfansoddi caneuon ffres i'r pedwar awd. 2024 brought their debut album, Sefwch Fyny, stand up. 10 tracks that reveal a fresh songwriting style to the foursome. Mae caneuon fel y Don o Tan y Bron a Disgyn yn ôl yn cyfuno'r egni byw sy'n diffinio ei perfformiadau a chynildeb sydd ychydig yn annisgwyl gan grŵp mor ifanc. Songs like a Don o Tan y Bron, the Don from Tan y Bron, and Disgyn yn ôl, Falling Back, blend the live energy that defines their performances with a subtlety that's a little unexpected from such a young group. Mae Mabinogi gyda Jacob Elwy yn enghraifft dda o sut mae'r band yn plethu pob math o themau uwch cerddoriaeth. Mabinogi featuring Jacob Elwy is a good example of how the band weaves all manner of themes into their music. Mae tew tenau bellach yn enw cyfarwydd ar sîn iaith Gymraeg. Tew tenau are now a familiar name on the Welsh language scene, gyda gwahoddiadau i'r Eisteddfod ac awydd clir ymhlith trefnu'r gwyliau yw cael ar y rhaglen. With invitations to the Eisteddfod and a clear appetite among festival organisers to get them on the bill. Them on the bill. Got mixed up, got lost. So, there we are. Boed hynny'n dist yw gwaith caled neu'n syml yn ganlyniad naturiol o fod yn bedwar bachgen sy'n amlwg wrth ei bof yn bod ar y llwyfan. Whether that's testament to their hard work or simply the natural result of being four lads who plainly love being on stage, mae'n anodd dychmygu ei bod nhw'n arafu unrhyw bryd yn fuan. It's hard to imagine them slowing down anytime soon. Good, they're really good. Raps, sort of, like rapping over, like fast indie pop reggae, in a way. All different styles in there. Good, original. Quite a few songs there to play by them. And then the words tenaeth in fodolaeth, being existence. Llansannan is a village in Conwy. Ngongwy, nasal mutation of Conwy. Eban is a boy's name. Elwy is a river in Wales and a valley, and a surname of a very musical family. And surname used a lot in that valley as well. Yanto, boy's name or pet name for Ivan or Yeyan. Benderfynov is he or she or it decided, soft mutation of Penderfynov. Past tense of Penderfynu. Sefwch, stand as a command. So, rhymes. Second person imperative of sefyll. So it's a command, imperatives. Bron is a hill or breast, as it's a soft mutation of bron. Definio, define. Cynildeb, thrift economy. Aspirate mutation of cynildeb. Anisgwyl, unexpected. Mabinogi, a Korean computer game that draws upon Celtic topics. So it's a Welsh animated film pertaining to early Welsh prose stories of Mabinogion. Enghraifft, example, model, exemplar. Plethu, braid or plait, as a verb noun. Cyfarwydd, familiar in this context. Gwahoddiadau, invitations. Clear is clear. Trefnwyr. Organisers. Boyd, that's a form of board. Let him or her or it be. Formal third person singular imperative of board. Command, a formal one. Ganlyniad is a result, soft mutation of canlyniad. Arafi, like arav, which is slow. Arafi is the verb of it, slow or slow down. And then we got some news. Corff Ann Widdecombe, 2026. Chwaraewr o 10 Africa wedi marw. World Cup 2026. A South African player has died. Rugby Cymru'n ceisio adeiladu ar gyfres o fuddugoliaethau yn erbyn yr ariannin. Rugby, Wales try to build on a series of wins against Argentina. Hwyliau da iawn yn Oslo cyn i'r Norwy wynebu Lloegr yn round yr 8 olaf Corff Ann Widdecombe. Very good fun in Oslo before Norway face England in quarter-finals of the World Cup. Pwysau gwaith yn mynd I ffwrdd pan dwi ar y dŵr medd athrawes. Work pressure goes away when I'm on the water, says a teacher. Heddlu'n 71 a bwy croes yn ei feddiant. Police shoots a man with a crossbow in his possession. Yeah. Okay. And I've got another song for you. So here's the song, the poem, and then we'll come afterwards. Teyrngedau neu gamfanteisio. Tribute or exploitation. O leiaf mae'r iaith yn cael ei defnyddio. At least the language is used. Beth yw cost ei llwyddiant? What is the cost of their success? Mwynhewch yr hanes a diwylliant. Enjoy the history and culture. Ond faint sy'n ei wneud am ddim? But how many do it for free? Allan o barch gwirioneddol. Out of real respect. Efallai fel person neurospicelyd, perhaps as a neurospicy person. Mae gen I safonau uchel. I have high standards. Rwy'n rhoi fy mywyd. I give my life. Ond byddaf yn cael fy anwybyddu, but I will be ignored. Mae hynny'n iawn. That's okay. Ganfod angen I mi dyfu, because I need to grow. Mae gen I gyflwr ond rwy'n gryf. I have a condition, but I'm strong. Neges i'n plant a walaf rhyw ddydd. A message to my children I will see someday. Mae gen I gyflwr ond rwy'n gryf. I have a condition, but I'm strong. Neges i'n plant a walaf rhyw ddydd. A message to my children I will see someday. Beth bynnag anewch chi, whatever you do, creu a barddoni, creating and poetry. Beth bynnag anewch chi, whatever you do, creu a chyfansoddi, creation and composition. Byddwch yn positif, byddwch, be positive, be. Byddwch yn positif, be positive. Creuwch, tyfwch, create, grow. Byddwch yn positif, byddwch. Be positive, be. Byddwch yn positif, be positive. Creuwch, tyfwch, create, grow. So yesterday, couldn't concentrate, usual ADHD stuff. Couldn't get into anything at all. It's hot as well, couldn't do it. But I had some bits left ready, so I did some and I got on to today's. And this morning I got it again, real real negative. And I just sort of started writing a poem. So it started off a bit neg, and then it turned positive. And I did too. So there's something in that. Here's the song. Bye. Teinged neu canfanteisio, lle mae iaith yn cael ei ddefnyddio, beth yw cost ei llwyddiant, mewnwch ei hanes a diwylliant, ond bain sy'n yn neud am ddim, allan o bach gwirioneddol, y fath fel person neurospacely, mae gen I safonau uchel, yn rhoi fy mywyd, ond byddaf yn cael fy anwybyddu, mae hynny yn iawn, ganfod angen I dyfu, mae gen I gofwr on rwy'n gryf, mae neges i'n plant y wel o rhyw ddydd, mae gen I gyflwr on rwy'n gryf, neges i'n plant y wel o rhyw ddydd, beth bynnag anewch chi, creu a byddoni, beth bynnag anewch chi, creu a chyfansoddi, beth bynnag anewch chi, creu a byddoni, beth bynnag anewch chi, creu a chyfansoddi, byddwch yn positif, byddwch yn positif, creuwch, tyfwch, byddwch yn positif, byddwch yn positif, creuwch, tyfwch.